In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over an amplified outdoor HDTV antenna. And just looking over the box here, I'll just kind of like go over some of the features they have. You know, it's anti-sun, anti-snow, anti-rain. Because of the cover that's on top of it, that's the protection. 360-degree directional non-adjustable reception. How about that? I guess you just set this thing out and it's good. Watch full HDTV, quality broadcast, easy setup, all hardware is included. Inside the house or attic, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it up here in the corner on a balcony, and there's all of the hardware gets it. You're going to have electricity to it because it is amplified. You get the amplifier. You get 39-foot of coax cable with waterproof housing. You know what? Enough talking. Let's just open this thing up and see what we get with it. Oh, it's got a piece of tape on it. Cutting the tape there. There we go. Well, it kind of looks like a little spaceship. Look at this thing. There's all that little wing nut in there. Whoa, that's a lot of cable. So you do get 36-foot coax cable, a mounting bracket, a little bit of hardware right here, and a set of instructions. And you know what? If you've ever used set up an antenna, I'm sure you know how to screw one in and how it works. So let me go ahead, set all this stuff up, see what we got here, and then we'll come back and see how this thing works. So you have the unit here, you've got the coax cable, screw this side into the actual unit, especially if you're gonna be outside, because that has a protection thing on it. And then this right here, this wing nut lets you adjust this. And to install this, first you're gonna screw this into the wall or the outside of a house or on a pole or something. You do get the hardware right here for going around the pole, so you can use that. And all this does is mount just like this. You can see how it just kind of lines up, and then you're going to run the bolt through right through there, and then you get the little wing nut thing on this side and you are good to go. So that was pretty simple. It's completely toolless on how to use it here. Let's loosen that up a little more. And then this unit right here, this is your amplifier. You could see it has the DC in. You have it right here, but check it out. They actually have this as USB. So I think my TV can run that, where I could plug it in my USB on my TV. So I might not have to have that, but I got it just in case. We'll see how it goes. You get the TV goes out right there. So right here, this screws into the TV, and then this part of the coax goes in right here. You know what? I got my TV right over here in the corner. Let me just go ahead and set it up and see what it does when we just have it up, because this was pretty simple, everybody. This was very simple. This is called 1x1. How about that? 1x1 UHF, VHS, FM, 200 milliamp adapter. Well, there we go. So you know what? Let's go ahead. Let's set this thing up and see what we got. I'm just going to let the antenna stay right here. I've got the cable ran. So check out how I did it. So I've got it plugged in. The USB does work on my TV. I have it plugged in right here. You can see the little red light is on. This is a TV that's in my shed, and I've been wanting to get some TV on this thing. So let's go ahead. Let's program it. Now to program it, we're gonna go, let's say, I've actually never done this. So let's go menu, go down to the antenna section. Click on that. Go down to program, click on that. Now there's air, cable, auto. I'm gonna go ahead and start the programming on air. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna go through and find all of the channels that are available in my region here. And we can kind of hold this up and see what it does. Well, I'm gonna put it in that upper right-hand corner of my shed right here. Let me do that now. Okay, so it's already programming. It's at 88. What I did, I don't know if you can see it back here, but here's where I put it in this corner. I will install it better later, but it's all plugged up and all set up, and I will probably get a shorter cord. Actually, oh wow, it's already done. Check that out. So it looks like we'll clear that. 1, 2, 3. It looks like I actually got a lot of channels. Well, you know what? We got Action Sports channel. That's the one I'm probably going to leave it on the most. Oh, a car channel. This is just, by the way, this is 100% over the air. This is one of the best antennas I've seen. I have an antenna in my house, and it does not work as good as this one right here. This is impressive, everybody. What is that one? 40. I'm just going through the channels right now. This is a lot of channels. I've got maybe 35 to 40 channels completely free. Now, those would probably come in a little better if I move it to the outside. So I might mount it on the outside of the shed. Right now, it's on the inside of the shed. We gotta find some music stations on here. I bet you there's some music stations. See y'all in the next video.